Well, hello, this is Joy from Joy's Memory Lane with an unboxing video to show you the latest August release products. And we have a secret box. That's what's on top here. Secret box number 3 for the year 2022. You can see the title here. They've never done that. It says Premium Gem Tones. This is the premium box, which means it comes with a few extra things in it. And so the price is a little bit higher, but you get an extra $5 in value. So I don't know if it's going to be a coupon or another product, but it's always worth it for these boxes. It's a very nicely curated collection, and it's in time before the next September Worldwide Virtual Crop sponsored by Creative Memories. So if you haven't ordered this, let me know. I can order it. They're still available. There's also an essential box, which has a few less products and a little bit lower price point. And I am up for doing a class with these products if anybody's interested. So let me know in the comments if you'd like to get some fun ideas to use it. I do know there is a border maker cartridge. So if you are a border maker system user, you will want it because the only way to get that is in that box. So the newest collection is called Back to School, just in time for the season. And it has not one, not two, but 3 paper packs. This is the designer paper pack. And I'm sorry my camera is having a little bit of trouble focusing. It's a little cloudy. We've got rain going on right now here in the south. But it has 12 sheets of designer paper. So it means it's double-sided. I'll show you the front and back of each of these. And they are icons throughout a student's whole entire education from preschool through high school. And they have things that work for the younger grades and our teenagers. Really cute. They have covered it all. There's some music notes. It's a little hard to see there. So you have some tonals and you have some bright, colorful prints. Now this is something different. It's called the annual paper pack, and it has basically a title sheet for every grade from preschool through senior year high school. Okay, sorry for that little glitch. So this is great if you have a high schooler that's going to be graduating soon and you want to create an album for all of their school years. This is ready to use. And they are like fast to fab pages, but you can put them anywhere in your book. You take and use one of these for each grade. And look at these. They have come up with these gorgeous, already made, layered, they're calling them extra large layered files, layered embellishments. So let me show you this on the page. It's perfectly sized for a 4x6 photo. So you take their class photo, that school picture that they do at the beginning of every year, and you can put that in. This is called the file folder frame. Here's another one. This one is called the ruler frame. As you can see, that ruler frame on there. And these are all layered, popped up, already done for you, many pieces with foam squares. And last but not least is the XL layered scallop frame embellishment. Piece of notebook paper. Isn't that cute? So you have them to cover all of their grades. They're available singly. You buy them one individually. And let me take this out of the way so we don't have some glare. There are some really nice embellishments. These again coordinate really well with this whole collection. And there is foil on these. Look at that nice accent. So you've got some lockers. There are some that have titles. First day of school, I love school. And just think of all the different things that students use in the classroom. Speech bubbles, all kinds of different journaling boxes you can use or put a title on them. Super cute. Look at that. Music stand. There's a bus. So I homeschooled my children, and my grandchildren are being homeschooled, and they could use just about everything in this pack as well. About the only thing is not the school bus, but we can use the rest of these. So whatever
grade your students are in, you will be able to use these. There's a sport gym bag. There's a nice mat pack. These are sized for your photos, ready to go, framing a photo, or you can use these with the titles, or there are lines to journal. And I forgot to show these really cute epoxy embellishments that come in the embellishment pack. So they are metallic, these stars, and this goes along with it, but it can be used for a lot of other collections. This is our new Home Sweet Home Border Maker cartridge. I'm trying to hold them up because the camera is having trouble there focusing. So it can be made into a schoolhouse. You can use it for all kinds of things related to home and family. I'm sure you can think of lots of fun ways to do that, layering it up. These are something new. These are called memory tabs. These are like file folder tabs, or you can put them on, you know, like they would go into your notebook. And so it's got this, you can write right on that tab, and they fold up, go on the edge of a folder. But think about that on your scrapbook pages, on the edge of a journal box, or anywhere you'd like to kind of create another little title box. Now, besides all of that, we, us advisors, were able to get a sneak and get our Croptoberfest products a little bit early so we can start playing and planning for our Croptoberfest events. There's a little bit of glare. I'm going to take this light away. So this is the new album, and this color is gorgeous. It's called Boysenberry. It's kind of like a muted burgundy color. It's really pretty, and foiled autumn leaves. And I will try to link here. There's a video that I made with the project recipe kit, doing an alternate layout, but using the kit so it shows all of the ingredients. There's also an autumn leaves border punch. And in that video that I referenced, I show how to make this pretty layered border with all this little detail in the leaves. And if you want to get a hold of the Croptoberfest products, they will be available for sale this coming Monday. And you can order that on my website and have it directly shipped to you. There are 2 options, 2 bundles, and you can do a one-click and just order everything you want in that, or they're available separately as well.
All right, so I missed a couple of products in my haste, so I'm going to finish up showing you the rest of the things that I missed the first time around. This is the 3rd paper pack that I mentioned. Comes with the back to school collection. It's called Building Blocks, so it will remind you of a very famous toy that we all have grown up and loved. And you see the images here, really cute. So this is a nice cut apart. You could use it as is or cut up each of the blocks. This one has the overall print. You just have some dots here, all primary colors, and there's the multicolor one on the end. So that is a 6-pack sheet. And then there are 2 sticker packs. This one is called Varsity ABC 1, 2, 3s, and you can see it has a really nice kind of a, reminds me of those, you know, varsity letters that you get on jackets, and perfect for school titles. And I always suggest when you buy an ABC pack to buy 2, because you will run out of some of the letters if you get going and you need more. Easy to have 2 on hand, and it comes in black, so it matches everything. And this is the sticker pack with these really cute borders. Looks like, you know, paper dolls, pencils. There's the, you know, cursive letter writing. And look at this. This is probably my favorite sticker of all. My husband has been wearing these for years, so they are making a comeback amongst the new generation. Really fun. Again, nice. All of these coordinate really well with everything in the collection. Perfect for your titles. These shapes will match up nicely with our custom cutting system. So you want to make nice sticker clusters or a mat for them. Really easy to do that. And last but not least is the embellishment pack that I had misplaced, showing you the ones that go with the Croptoberfest collection. The theme, if you don't know yet, is Let's Go Nuts. So if you're local to me for our event, it is October 14th and 15th, and we are doing Let's Go Nuts at Camp Scrap-A-Lot. So these are these cute little embellishments, and you know these packs are always a bargain, really nice on cardstock, and they all coordinate really well with the project recipe kit. You could make some nice cards with them. Here's some little toadstools, moths, acorns. So if you're local, I hope you will join me at my event.
So hope to see you all soon in my next video. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.